Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected fellows, today we will tell you about the eligibility criteria, requirements and complete process for MOH, DHA and HAAD examination and license. About MOH, DHA, HAAD examinations and license. MOH stands for Ministry of Health, DHA stands for Dubai Health Authority, and HAAD stands for Health Authority, Abu Dhabi. These organizations regulate healthcare professionals and services in their respective regions in the UAE. About MOH. Eligibility criteria for MOH UAE Pharmacist exam and license. To work as a pharmacist in the United Arab Emirates UAE, you must obtain a license from the Ministry of Health MOH. We have created as a detailed overview of the eligibility criteria and requirements. 1. Educational requirements. Degree. A bachelor's degree in pharmacy B.Pharm, or Doctor of Pharmacy PharmD, from a recognized university. Accreditation. The degree must be recognized by the Ministry of Education in the UAE. 2. Professional experience. Internship. Completion of a one-year internship or residency program post-graduation. Work experience. Typically, 2 years of professional experience as a licensed pharmacist. However, this requirement can vary based on specific emirate rules. 3. Licensure exams for MOH exam. Pass the MOH pharmacy licensing examination. This includes both a written test and an oral assessment. Exam preparation. The exam tests knowledge in pharmaceutical sciences, clinical pharmacy, pharmacology, and pharmacy law and ethics. 4. Required documents for educational certificates. Notarized copies of your pharmacy degree and transcripts. Experience certificates. Proof of work experience, typically provided as a certificate from your previous employers. Passport copy. A valid passport copy. Photographs. Passport-sized photographs. Good standing certificate. A certificate of good standing from the Pharmacy Regulatory Authority in your home country. Medical fitness certificate. A certificate proving you are medically fit to work. 5. Registration and application process and create an account. Register on the MOHAP, Ministry of Health and Prevention website. Submit application. Complete the online application form and upload the required documents. Application fee. Pay the applicable fees for the exam and licensure process. 6. Examination details. Exam format. The MOH exam typically consists of multiple choice questions covering various aspects of pharmacy practice. Passing score. A minimum score is required to pass the exam, which is determined by the MOH. Exam centers. The exam can be taken in designated centers within the UAE or approved centers abroad. 7. Post-examination process and results. Exam results are usually announced within a few weeks. Interview. Successful candidates may be required to attend an interview or oral assessment. License issuance. Upon passing the exam and interview, you will be issued a pharmacist license by the MOH. 8. Renewal of license and continuing education. Pharmacists are required to complete continuing professional development (CPD) credits to renew their license. Renewal application. Submit a renewal application along with proof of completed CPD credits and pay the renewal fee. 9. Important considerations and language proficiency. Proficiency in English or Arabic is essential as the exam and daily practice require effective communication skills. Legal and ethical standards. Understanding and adhering to the legal and ethical standards of pharmacy practice in the UAE is crucial. For further details and updates, it is recommended to regularly check the official MOHAP website or contact their support services. About DHA. We have created details for eligibility criteria for the Dubai Health Authority (DHA) exam and license for pharmacists. Eligibility criteria for DHA pharmacist license. 1. Educational qualifications. A minimum of a bachelor's degree in pharmacy (B.Pharm) or equivalent from a recognized university. A PharmD degree is also accepted. 2. Professional experience. Fresh graduates are eligible to apply for the exam. For experienced pharmacists, typically 2 years of professional experience post-qualification is required. However, this can vary, so checking the latest guidelines from DHA is recommended. 3. Licensing examination. Applicants must pass the DHA licensing exam. The exam consists of multiple choice questions covering various pharmacy-related topics. Some candidates may be required to attend an oral assessment or interview. 4. Primary source verification. All educational and professional qualifications must be verified through the DHA's recognized verification process data flow group. This involves submitting documents for primary source verification to ensure their authenticity. 5. Good standing certificate. Applicants must provide a certificate of good standing from the licensing authority or health regulatory body where they have previously worked. This certificate should not be older than 6 months at the time of application. 6. Language proficiency. Proficiency in English is mandatory. An IELTS score of 6.0 or equivalent is usually required. Alternatively, a TOEFL score may also be accepted. Application process. 1. Create a Sharian account. Register on the DHA Sharian portal and create an account to start the application process. 2. Document submission. Upload all required documents, including educational certificates, professional experience letters, good standing certificates, passport copy, and recent photograph. 3. Data flow verification. Submit documents for primary source verification through the data flow group. This is a crucial step to authenticate the provided qualifications and experience. 4. Exam scheduling. Once the documents are verified, schedule your DHA exam through the Sharian portal. 5. Pass the exam. Take and pass the DHA exam. 6. Issuance of license. Upon passing the exam, you will receive your DHA eligibility letter, allowing you to seek employment. After securing a job offer, the employer will complete the final steps for the issuance of your DHA license. Additional points. Renewal and continuing education. DHA licenses need to be renewed periodically. Pharmacists must also complete a certain number of continuing professional development (CPD) hours to maintain their license. Specialist pharmacists. If you are applying as a specialist pharmacist, additional qualifications and experience may be required depending on the specialization. For the most current information and specific requirements, always refer to the official DHA website or contact their customer support. About HAAD. Eligibility criteria for pharmacists seeking HAAD license. The Health Authority, Abu Dhabi HAAD, regulates healthcare professionals in Abu Dhabi. We have prepared detailed overview of the eligibility criteria for pharmacists seeking HAAD licensure. General requirements. 1. Education. A degree in pharmacy B Pharm, M Pharm, Pharm D from a recognized institution. The institution should be listed in the HAAD's approved list of educational institutions. 2. Experience. Varies based on the degree. B. Pharm. At least 2 years of postgraduate experience. M Pharm Pharm D. Experience requirements may vary, but generally, less experience is required compared to AB Pharm. Internship periods may be considered if documented appropriately. 3. Professional license. Must hold a current and valid license to practice in your home country. Proof of good standing certificate from the licensing authority in your home country, usually valid for 6 months. 4. Exam. Pass the HAAD pharmacist licensing exam. This usually includes multiple choice questions covering various pharmaceutical topics. Topics include pharmacology, pharmaceutics, pharmacy practice, and ethics. 5. Language proficiency. Proficiency in English, demonstrated by IELTS minimum score of 6 or TOEFL minimum score of 80 for the internet-based test. Document requirements. 1. Educational documents. Degree certificate. Transcripts. 2. Experience certificates. Detailed experience letters from previous employers. 3. Professional license. Copy of your current and valid professional license. Good standing certificate. 4. Identification documents. Passport copy. Recent passport-sized photographs. 5. Other documents. Curriculum vitae CV. Application form filled out online through the HAAD website. Process. 1. Create an account. Register on the HAAD Dataflow website to initiate the primary source verification (PSV) process for your documents. 2. Document verification. Submit all required documents for verification. 3. Application submission. Once the PSV is complete, submit your application through the HAAD website. 4. Exam scheduling. Schedule and take the HAAD exam after your application is approved. 5. Issuance of license. Upon passing the exam and verification of documents, the HAAD license will be issued. Additional information. Renewal. The HAAD license needs to be renewed periodically, with continuous professional development (CPD) requirements. Cost. There are fees associated with the application, document verification, and the exam. Check the HAAD website for the most up-to-date fee structure. For more detailed and up-to-date information, it's always best to refer directly to the HAAD official website. URL: Feel free to ask if you need more specific details or guidance on any part of the process. Regards, Majid Body Advocate, PharmD, MPhil, LLB. Vice President, Pakistan Pharmacists Association PPA Punjab. 0321404236. Thank you.